Hello guys, welcome to my video. And now I'm going to talk about word linking, consonant to power. Wake up. What time do you usually wake up this morning? Stop eating. How to stop eating at night? How to stop eating junk food? How to stop eating chocolate? Stop playing. How to stop playing video game? Move forward. How to move forward when you are feeling stuck. Next year, do you want to go to the movie with me? Next year, could you tell me about full name, please? Could you tell me about full name, please? Hate you. I hate you, but I can't stop, and I can't stop loving you. I hate you, but I can't stop loving you. So many people want me to hate him and destroy him, but I don't want. I want him to be happy because he is not a bad person. Thanks for watching this video. Bye.